Hey team, welcome back to my channel. Let's write a program that can produce the prime factor for any number. Let's begin. Define a function called prime factorization. We're going to have one input parameter called number. Let's declare a list of factors as our results is empty. And then we're going to say our starting divisor is 2. While that number is greater than 1, what we're going to do is we're going to check to see if the modulus is 0. So while the number mod divisor, so if it does equal 0, we're going to add that number to our factors list. So factors append divisor. Now let's add number / equals divisor. Now you might be wondering what / is. Well, this is divide equal. The other slash just means let's use the floor value. Now once we got that done, we're going to come back and say divisor plus equal 1, and then we're all done here. We're going to say return factors. That's all the coding we need to do for this function. Let's test it now. Let's declare a variable prime fact equals calling the function we just wrote, and let's use the number 20, and we can say print prime fact. So let's go ahead and execute this. 225, we got it. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave your comments below. Look forward to seeing you back in my next video. Take care.